Alright, so you figured out the characters, but now you also have to understand where they live. The environment is a very important character for your story. I would even say that it's as important as subscribing to my channel, so click that subscribe button. Okay, even if your background is just a simple room, you need to understand what everything in that room represents. Out-of-place objects in environments will confuse the audience and may make them feel off about what they're really seeing. Some animators even design full world maps for their story so they can understand the character's world in its entirety. It's also important to the story to know the history of what happened in the land. Make your environments come to life. Just to give you a small example of an environment, I want to give you a little tour of the room where I create my YouTube videos. Think of this as my personal workspace where I get to design and customize everything to make my videos just right. This is my 3D interior environment, and I can show you any part of it. There are definitely more interesting spots here than others. I designed it this way so I can produce a variety of videos all in the same space. It's kind of like what a lot of YouTubers do with their rooms. But here's the cool part. Unlike other bedrooms, I can change and move things around freely. This lets me make the room fit the message and mood of each video. Imagine being able to move your bed, your desk, or even your walls around whenever you want. Like everything here that you can see, like I can move that. Not only that, I can also change the view outside the windows. I can swap out the buildings in the background, adjust the sky, add clouds, and even switch between daytime and nighttime, you know? It's like having my own little world to play with. There are a few limitations though. I can't show too much of the outside world. I can go to the balcony, but I have to be careful with the camera angles so that other views don't ruin the shot. This is specifically an interior, right? So why do I do all of this? Well, having a flexible environment means I can make each video unique and engaging. It gives me the freedom to express different ideas and create a variety of content without being stuck in one setup, you know? In a way, it's like being a director of my own little movie set. And this is a movie set. Yeah. Whether I want to focus on just a small part of the room or show a whole new world outside the window, it's all up to me. I hope this gives you a better idea of what a 3D environment can be and how it can make your videos, more dynamic and fun. Well, that's it for now. See you next time.